Sure, I'd be happy to explain how cryptocurrency blockchain works. But before we dive into the technical details, let's start with a simple analogy to help you understand the concept better. Imagine a world where you have a ledger, a big book where every transaction is recorded. This ledger is distributed among all the people in this world, and everyone has a copy of it. Now, when you make a transaction, you don't need to ask for permission from anyone. You simply update your ledger and everyone else's ledger. This is the essence of blockchain technology. Now, let's dig a little deeper. Blockchain is a decentralized, distributed ledger that records transactions across a peer-to-peer network. It's a way of storing data that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. Cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, is a digital or virtual currency that uses blockchain technology to facilitate secure and anonymous transactions. The blockchain is a digital ledger that records all transactions, and each block is a record of a set of transactions. The blocks are linked together in a chain, hence the name blockchain. Now, let's talk about how this all works. When you send a cryptocurrency, you're not actually sending the currency itself, but rather a digital signature that can be verified and validated. This signature is unique to you, and it's what allows the transaction to be recorded on the blockchain. The blockchain is constantly updated with new transactions, and it's important to note that once a transaction is recorded, it cannot be changed or deleted. This is because the blockchain is a distributed ledger, meaning it's stored across a network of computers, and any changes would need to be agreed upon by the majority of the network. So, there you have it. A simple explanation of how cryptocurrency blockchain works. I hope this helps you understand the concept better. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more informative and engaging content. Thanks for watching.